welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing? I know I look a mess right now. I look dusty, but I'll explain that in a bit. If this is your first time of being here, you're welcome. My name is Rebecca, and on this channel you find lifestyle videos, beauty vlogs, celebrity news. Thanks for tuning in to my channel. Now don't forget to click that subscribe button down below to join the team. Now if you're a long time subscriber and you just came back to watch another video, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Guys, you know I usually don't look like this but today's video is a beauty video, and today's video I'm going to sharing with you guys my natural no makeup look. 80% of the time you see me, I don't wear makeup. Like, it's not that I like makeup. I like wearing makeup. I just makeup gives you that extra look that you know. So I do like wearing makeup, don't get me wrong, but for me makeup is stressful. It's just like, oh, do I really have to wear it? Like, I literally only wear makeup when I'm going to church or when I'm going to an event. So 80% of the time you see me no makeup. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my no makeup natural look. So let's get to it. The first thing you need to get that glow, to get that natural no makeup glow, is you need to wash your face in the morning. You need to cleanse and wash your face in the morning. It is very important because things build up all around your face. The first thing I do in the morning is to wash and cleanse my face, and the two items that I use is the Dudu Osun and the scent Ives. So the Dudu Osun is a black soap from Nigeria. I know you can get like different types of black soap in the beauty shop. I use this with Kenken. I don't know the word for Kenken. Scrub, is that what you guys call it? Scrub. I'll show you guys the video on the screen anyways how I do it. So I first use this and scrub to wash my face, to cleanse my face. Now what Dudu Osun black soap, what it does is it completely wipes clean all the dirt on your face. Literally once you finish using this, your face feels entirely clean. Like, it just feels like so dry. Then I go in with the scent Ives to kind of bring back moisture to my face. So I use this to cleanse my face as well, but this kind of brings back the moisture that the Dudu Osun has taken away. So yes, so I used these two items first, so Dudu Osun and scent Ives. Now obviously everyone has different skincare routine in the morning, but I've been using Dudu Osun and this for the longest time, and these two items are the two items that works for me. To get that natural no makeup glow, you need to cleanse your face in the morning. So after cleansing my face, obviously I haven't used it yet because I want to show you guys in this video. So you go ahead and moisturize your face. So I use this from Superdrugs. I'll show you guys. I'm not sure why it's not showing properly. So this is the vitamin E skincare SPF 50 moisturizing day cream, and you just go ahead and moisturize your face. Really, this just makes your face look extra glowy and nice. I'm just going to do that right now. This leaves like white marks on your face, but it disappears. So but I have like really dry skin, especially my face. So I need something like with oil inside it that won't leave my face feeling dry after like 5 seconds. So yeah, so I go ahead and make sure my face is really moisturized. The moisturizer literally gives me that natural glow, and it just makes my face look extra nice. So sometimes I put it on my lips as well, you know, get all the white bits out, you know. To moisturizing your face is your hair. You need to make sure your hair is looking nice, because your hair will bring out the whole structure of your face. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this style that I've had on my head for like a week now. My first video since being back, my welcome back, basically my last video. It didn't really do that well, but I'm okay with the views, but I do understand that I need to put in a lot of work to like grow my channel, you know, because like the standard on YouTube nowadays is it's not easy, you know. You can't just put out any video. You need to make sure like your videos are on point, the quality is on point, what you're talking about makes sense as well. You can't just, nowadays you can't just go on YouTube and just like ramble on and that's it and expect views and subscribers, and that it's just not going to work, you know. So now I understand that you need to be consistent, and well, I need to be consistent because obviously we all know I'm not that consistent, but it's a new year, things are changing. So yeah, so now I understand like to get subscribers, to get views, to really do well on YouTube, you need to be consistent, and you need to put in the work basically, and you need to be, not that you need to be careful, but you need to like watch the kind of videos you put out. You like the content you put out needs to make sense and not just any content. So me putting out the video last week, obviously it was kind of like a welcome back video. I didn't expect it to like get like bare views because obviously it's not a very important video, but yeah, I got like a few subscribers from that video, which I'm happy about. And yeah, but YouTube, my point is YouTube is not like, now it's like a job for a lot of people. Now it's like a job. It's like, it's not like a hobby anymore. For me it's like a hobby because obviously I have a job, but at the same time I want it to like go somewhere. Now I'm starting to take it serious. Like I've been on YouTube for like on and off, I'll say like 3-4 years now, and the reason I haven't like blown per se on YouTube is because I just haven't been taking it serious, you know. Like I post here and there and that's it, and then things will happen, and then I'll be gone for like 7-8 months and then be back again, you know. And then I just think to myself, like, you can't, it's like anything in life, you can't expect to grow if you don't put in the hard work, you know. You got to like be consistent, put in the hard work, promote yourself, let people know all about your channel, and yeah, then you start seeing like results. Okay, you see, now I'm looking a bit more alive now. So yeah, so the next thing, obviously I'm going to use this brush to brush out my hair. Being natural is a struggle. Like, it's just now that I'm just like, oh, whatever, like if it glows, it glows, if it doesn't glow, it doesn't glow. I don't really care, it's hair, you know. Like before I used to like stress out, be like, oh, my hair, it's not growing, it's just breaking and all that. And even after buying like the correct product and everything, my hair will still be looking a hot mess. But now I'm just like, you know what, I'm just going to allow my natural hair to like do its own thing, and just if it wants to grow. My hair doesn't want to grow, whatever stage my hair is at, I'm going to enjoy it. My leave-in conditioner, and then I use a tiny bit of oil because I like putting oil on my hair sometimes. So yeah, so once I put a bit of oil, then I use the hair moisturizer. This is from Auntie Jackie, hydrating sealing butter. Just see, that's what I'm going to use to moisturize my hair. Back to the wild comb to brush everything out. Once we have everything up, make sure everything is up, because I'm going to show you guys I'm doing the pineapple style, so everything has to be up, right? And then I'm going to take this to do the pineapple style. So make sure your hair is not in the way, and just bring it up, 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 sometimes my pineapple style works, sometimes it doesn't. But once my hair starts acting up, I'm just like, you know what, let my pineapple style, let it stay on its own, because I can't be bothered sometimes. A lot of times I can't be bothered, because for me it's just hair. So I'm just going to use this to pick my hair, just to make it nicer, make it like bigger. Once your hair is done and it's looking nice and popping, the last thing you need is jewelry, just to add that tiny bit of natural looking sexiness. Okay, now today's video I'm going to use my hoop, because I like wearing hoop earring, and a lot of people always give out to me. They're like, why do you always wear hoop earring? Why not just wear studs? I like wearing studs as well, but if you're not wearing makeup and you're just leaving your face to be natural, and if you just want that natural look, the hoop earring gives you that extra sexiness. Okay, it just gives you that extra sexiness. So this is me 80% of the time. I just go about my way. But yeah, so this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys like it. So yeah, so we're rocking our natural hair, okay, with a bit of piercing, all right, and our ghetto hoop earring, and we're looking flawless, darling. All right. So yeah, so that's the look for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to leave a comment below. Let me know which one do you prefer, natural look or makeup. I'm not bashing people that wear makeup. As I said, I love wearing makeup. It's just 80% of the time I just can't be bothered. So yeah, so if you like this look, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're just here and you haven't yet subscribed and you got to the end of this video, go on, might as well click that subscribe button down below right now. Okay, thank you. So yeah, so that's all in this video. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, where I share more looks, where I also share my throwback music every Mondays. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay beautiful with or without makeup. Bye.